Rainy is older than my children, guys. Think that I've had Rainy before, all my children. And Bowie. Bowie. And Rainy. And this is the girl. This is a girl, guys. Oh, this is Queen. So Petunia is close by, guys. We have Queen, the crown princess. Oh no, it's not her. I thought it was. This is another female from another flock. I thought it was Queen, but it's not. It's a female from another flock. Now should we name you? She's from the second flock, guys. And that's the guy that likes to put everything in his foot.